So that concludes that answer for that problem. Here's a little checklist for mastering nailing these complex fractions. So everything builds up upon everything else when you're studying complex fractions. Because at first you're learning about mixed fractions, then finding their greatest common denominators, least common multiple, then you have probably learned about mixed fractions and rational expressions of addition, subtraction, multiplication, dividing, ratio equation, and the fractional equations. Now, all this builds up to this topic. Make sure it's advisable to review if you don't clearly remember right immediately what's going on in this lecture. Well, so just remember that complex fractions is just another way of division of the fraction. Now, an optional step for number 2, write the complex fraction as mentioned a while back. A over B divided by C over D in a simpler step by just denoting doing a substitution tactic of big N and big D. And then you can do your operations from there as illustrated in writing. Alright, simplify as needed. Can't simplify it any further? Then it's okay, it's alright. It means you've gotten to where your answer has finally been determined. Now, last thing on this to-do checklist. Suppose if you have any variables in the final simplified answer, supposing you have numerator over denominator, where denominator x, the domain of that denominator is x is not equal to positive 2, that's a domain restriction. It's imperative to label these where the function is not supposed to be numerator over 0. Now, you can only label them if, and only if, such they're a condition that numerator over 0 or can be some variable over 0 is undefined. Like I said, in this case, to the left scenario, x will not be defined at positive 2. This concludes the lesson. Be sure to comment, ask questions if you're unfamiliar of something. Keep practicing. Hope you enjoy practicing these problems. And hope you enjoyed the lesson, lecture, strategies. Be safe, enjoy, wish you all the best. Let me know. Take it easy, everyone. Till then.